Hey y'all, welcome back. Don't stick your chocolate tongue out. My daughter and I are making some monster chocolate dipped pretzels. We have some red colored chocolate chips that we're going to melt. And we've got some regular ones that we're also going to melt. And I figured since it's fall already that y'all would like to join us for this quick little project. I did. I melted them. Okay, get your pretzel. Okay, dip it in there. Let me get your spoon. These are gonna be good, don't you think, Oma? Okay, put your eyeballs on there.
Yeah, I'm thinking you're doing a good job.
Is that what you want to do? All right. And put it on your pan until it sets up. We're going to finish the regular chocolate. And then whenever we're done with that, we'll do the red ones. Okay. Are you going to decorate this one? Put your eyeballs on it. Yummy.
Ooh, here, let's do one.
Oma's going to do one? Okay.
Oh.
Chocolate's pretty good.
Put the eyeballs on them. There we go.
It's okay. It's a little googly-eyed.
Look at there. Ooh. Put the rest on.
You put the red
Okay,
on.
wait to eat one later.
I'll put a couple on this one too. Why
Why
not?
Talk.
If any of y'all have kids, I highly suggest this.
Talk.
The red chocolate is just the meltable white chocolate discs with some red food coloring.
Red food coloring.
Here you go.
No, almost trying to do it.
Oma already made one. It's your turn. And I made one. It's your turn.
A teacher.
Do it for me. Can you do it for me?
How do you do?
Oh yeah, that's a good idea.
Cute.
Oh, that would be cute. Look at the pumpkins.
Whoa, and they're so
Whoa, and that
hard.
one's got monster fingers in it.
Okay, try those
All
out.
right,
Now
let's
let
do
mommy, you roll it, baby. You do it. Look, roll it in the pretties. So it gets pumpkins and all kinds of good stuff. Is that enough on there?
Yeah.
The pretzel in it, okay? So it gets good yummies on it. Watch. Okay, here, look.
Watch. Ready?
You ready? Roll. There you go. Look how cute those are. Oop, here.
Here, just sprinkle it.
I was gonna say.
I was gonna say.
Ooh. Look how pretty those are being for the fall.
Isn't that cool?
Yay!
Okay.
All right.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween. We still got a little while, but it's close.
Mm-hmm.
That's so
It's close.
cute.
Emma likes the chocolate. Mm-hmm.
This is like some sprinkles.
Here, let's move these eyes so you can just get this part of it. Get some monster fingers on it. Okay? Oh, those are going to be so cute. A little more. There you
Ready?
go.
You want to do it?
You do it. Hold
Here.
it.
Hold it right here where I am.
Hold it. Now roll it
Okay.
around.
Roll it like that.
Roll it. Are you not into rolling?
No.
Okay.
That's okay.
Did my band-aid come off?
I don't know, did it?
No. It's still on there.
There you go. You want monster fingers?
No.
Uh-oh. Well, what do you want on this one?
Tea.
Okay. Good job.
That one was off.
Is that all?
Uh-huh.
Hang on.
Golden ones. Golden ones.
You're gonna do pumpkins next?
I do. So many pumpkins.
All right, now we're gonna do red. What'd you have it rolled up for?
I need it.
Well, we can't dip it in the chocolate if it's rolled up.
So, yeah. Ah!
Now, which ones do you want on this one? There you go. Put them on there.
No, put them on there.
Is that good?
Mm-hmm. Are you mixing them? Oh, that's cool.
Ooh, I dropped that one. Do pumpkins on this one? Look at how cute those are. Sorry, y'all. I didn't realize my screen was all blurred like that. Aren't they just so fun? It's definitely a great fall time, or I guess I should say Halloween treat. We've got a couple more to go, but that is mostly our result. Y'all have a great evening, and I'll catch you later. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Catch you next time.